Hi, welcome to WriteRush. I'm so glad that you have chosen WriteRush for AI content writing. So before you jump into creating content, today I'm going to give you a quick plugin overview. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up WriteRush on your WordPress dashboard and start creating blog, social media caption and brand profile. So let's get started. So right now I'm on my WordPress dashboard. So now I'm going to install WriteRush. So I have gone to the plugins menu and here I'm gonna search for WriteRush and now activate it. As you can see, WriteRush has been activated. So now I will go to the license menu first. So to use the free and pro version of WriteRush, you need to insert your license key here. So click on this link app.writerush.ai to get your license key. So now I'm going to register in the WriteRush panel. So I am registering with Google, but you can also register with email and password. So this is the WriteRush dashboard and here you can see I'm on the free plan. So here I will get 2 blogs, 25 AI credits, 2 images and 3 social media posts in the free version. So now to generate the license, please go to the license menu. So here you'll add the domain where you have installed WriteRush. So let me just copy the domain and paste over here. So you can see that my license is generated automatically. So the block count and AI credit count is 0 because I haven't used them yet. So now I'm going to copy the license and paste it over here and activate my plugin. So you can see license is activated. I can use all the modules now. So now let's start with the blog module. So with WriteRush, you get a guided workflow to generate high quality blog and target oriented blog. Unlike any other AI generators that give you a generic blog, we will help you to go through a strategic process so that you get the blog the way you want. So first, you'll add your topic here. Just say content marketing strategies. Okay. So there are some blog settings. You can write here the target audience. You can choose in which language you want to generate the content. Here are blog length. You can set up the tone, voice, and there is the purpose. This is basically how you want to curate the blog. And let me show you one of the most interesting part, that is topic analysis. So the topic you have entered or the keyword you have entered, WriteRush will analyze it and ask you some smart questions to generate the blog more target oriented or more specified. Like here you can see the questions are like, what specific aspect of content marketing strategies are more relevant? Can you provide examples? What are the goals or outcomes your audience hopes to achieve? Then how is your approach to content marketing? This is related to your keyword. Whatever keyword you enter, this system will analyze your topic and come up with the related aspects so that you can generate a targeted blog. If you want, you can skip this as well. Now let me take you to the title generation page. So after you have given the blog inputs, WriteRush will give you a set of benefit-driven click-worthy title. You see the character limits are between 60 to 70 so that it can get ranked easily. So if you don't like them, you can generate more as well. And if you want, you can regenerate a single title as well. Let's just generate title. So you see there are 5 different versions of this title has been regenerated. Okay, let me just select one and go to the next step. So the next step is outline. So you can create outline using AI. If you choose AI will analyze your topic and input and give you a smart outline based on your title. And from SERP results, you get to see so what is ranking for the keyword. This is something that we do manually when we create content, like search on Google and see what are ranking, then curate the outline. But with WriteRush, it gets so easy that you just get the results into your editor and see what build your perfect outline. Let me choose the country here, and it has fetched ranking on United States. So these are the results. So let me select to outline. You can choose 3 reference article here, and you can merge those outlines, and you can custom select. Let me custom select. Okay, so these are the 2 articles. So with this you can easily compare what your competitors are writing, what they are missing, so that you include them and you rank better than that. So here you can plan your outline so easily, and now seeing them you'll build your outline. So let me just select some references. So now this is the outline page. I have custom selected and built it my outline. So I have created this outline. So this is your outline page. So before going to the draft, here you can curate each heading. You can paraphrase each of them. You can edit them, and the best part is you can drag and drop them, and you can add any new heading if you want. So if you want, you can regenerate multiple heading as well. So now that you are done with your outline, let's go to the draft page. So in the draft, we will actually giving you a publish ready draft. If we generate all the content together, so it might take a few moments. So please wait to get the final draft. So you can see the draft has been generated based on your outline. Now you can work on each section. So remember, when you used to generate blog on ChatGPT, you get the full blog all together, then you need to prompt again and again. But we remove the hassle in the WriteRush. You don't like the introduction? Let me just regenerate this introduction section. You'll click on here and you'll give your prompt here and regenerate. Click on the edit option. You can add new content here. So from here you can delete any section as well. Now about the image part, in the WriteRush you get an inbuilt image generator. You can add image from your WordPress library, or if you want you can generate AI image as well. So let's just write content marketing as prompt and see what image it gives. You see the image is pretty nice and you can use it in your blog. Like we are talking about content marketing here, and here it is mentioned about the content marketing strategy. So if you still do not like it, you can regenerate here clicking this and the image will regenerate. So you're done adding with the draft and images. Click on the next option. So you'll get a full preview here. Now if you're ready to publish, just send it to the WordPress post, and here you can see the featured image as well. So right now you can easily publish it. So that's how you can easily create high quality people first content blog on WordPress without using any other tool. It's targeted, it's qualityful, and it's something that will rank. So now let's go to the WordPress dashboard again and move on to our next module, which is social media. So for that I have gone to the dashboard of WriteRush. So here you can see the usage summary. Like I have written one blog, I have generated one image, and I have used 3 credits. So AI credit depends on the action you take. Alright, and now let's generate a social media caption. So let's click on the create social media post option, and it will take you to this dashboard. So firstly you will select for which platform you want to generate caption. You can select Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. Don't worry, we will add another platforms too very soon. Now here is the brand context option. If you have created any brand profile, you can choose that here. So right now I'm using the free version, so that's why it is restricted. But if you are using pro version, you can see what brand profiles you have created, and you can easily select here. And here is the single post option. Now you will write what the post is about. I'll just use a simple topic like Black Friday offer. Yes. Then here you see the post purpose. There are various options. I'm just gonna select announcement. Now there you see the post length: short, medium, long, very long. Let's stick to long sentence. Then you can see tone, casual, friendly, or theme, whatever you like. And then you see the language options. And if you want, you can include emojis, and if you don't want, you can turn it off. Now these are the settings. We currently are offering single post, but very soon we will be releasing multi-post campaign, where under one campaign you can generate multiple posts. And also you see here social account and calendar option, which are currently under development. Like once you have generated a caption, you can connect your social account and schedule and post it immediately. So we are going to bring this feature real soon. Now let's generate the post. So this is your generated caption. This is pretty good, right? Get ready to update your wishlist because this is the event of the year. Like, I didn't give any context, but it gave me a pretty good caption. But if you still didn't like it, you can click here, give your prompt and regenerate the caption. And if you look in the below, you'll see some hashtags added. If you don't like one of them, you can click it or add new hashtag. Now comes the best part, that is images. And in this module, you can generate images along with your caption. So let's click on the AI image. And here let's just say Black Friday offer. So let's download the image. So this is the image. And if you don't like it, you can still regenerate it from here, giving your own prompt. Now that you are done with the post and caption and image, let's just save it, and you can copy it, and right now you can post it on Facebook platform. But very soon you can connect your Facebook account, schedule and post from WriteRush dashboard. If you go to the all content dashboard, you get all the list of the contents you generate. So in the blog tab, you see the count, blog count and AI credit count. In the social media, you get the caption list. So from here you can go to edit as well. Now I'm going to talk about the brand voice feature. So this is something that is really new on WordPress dashboard. See, it is basically a knowledge base where you can train the AI about your product or your business or your tones, so that every time you generate a content, maybe it can be blog or it can be social media, that is aligned with your brand and tone. Sounds amazing? Let's check it out. Brand voice is basically a pro feature. So for that, you have to purchase WriteRush, and then you can access the brand voice module. So this is the brand voice creation page. So at first you need to give some brand identity information over here. So let me just write the brand voice name, and you can give a description here as you want. I'm just keeping it right now. And then comes the training source. So here you get 3 training source to train the AI about your product or business. So the first one is text snippet. So here you have to just paste any description about your brand so that WriteRush learns about your brand. And then you get file upload option. So you can browse files, maybe any of your brand documents, brand guidelines, anything that describes your brand. So you can just upload over here, then it will learn from it. And this is the most interesting thing in WordPress, that is our WP IQ feature. So here it learns from your existing posts and pages of your WordPress. Sounds cool, right? So let me select here any author, and for this author, these are the pages. You can select any of the pages and train WriteRush about your brand. So right now I'm going to upload a file that tells about my brand. Now that I have given the training source, I'll click Analyze Brand Voice. So this is the brand summary. Like you can see the brand persona. Here it states about how my brand characterizes as a person, the persona. Then it tells about the audience, like targeting digital marketers, bloggers, small business owners. So it writes about your target audience, then the tone it writes, then the brand insights, then the writing style. So if you want to edit, you can just click on the edit option and add more few lines if you want. All right, so if you're done with the brand summary, then you'll create the brand profile. So that's it, your brand profile is created. Now every time you write any content, be it social media caption, be it blog, you can give the source of your brand profile and it will write from your brand perspective. So this is it for today. That's how easily you can create content with WriteRush. I'm super excited how you are going to use it, and if you have any feedback, please do share with us. Best of luck for your new AI writing journey.